Flexshaft K9-12. Stuff nobody reads. That's our 102. For size comparison, I don't know if that shows very well. A lot smaller. Let's see if I can get a weight difference. £8.5. About 25 pounds. Big difference in weight, big difference in size. This 102 has been fantastic for us. It's 50-foot 1/4-inch cable. We've used it on a lot of clogged floor drains. And sludgy pipes where, you know, 3-inch and 2-inch mostly, where we've had just complete clogs or real crusty blockages. It comes with all tools like that, for your cleanouts, or for cleaning through the wall. We've ordered extra things. Let's see. There's my bristle. Okay. So these is what I had to use to take that all apart and change the heads. But this one already has the Allen key integrated, so you don't have to carry the bag of extra little tools if you want to change it. This one's a lot simpler. This 1/4-inch cable's attachments are the same as this 1/4-inch, so I doubt we'll ever have to use them, but we prefer the single chain knocker because it catches a lot less. You just have to go a little bit slower. And then when we have those real crusty drains, floor drains we can't get through, we put this carbide tip, penetrating tip on. So let's spin this up. Oh yeah. Very simple. Easy to pull cable out of. Easy to put back in. If you don't have one of these, you got to get it. Send that through the toilet. Take everything off and just put that on and send that through the toilet, and that helps get a little bit further than a closet auger will. Can't wait to use it. That's it.